Okay, so this is the video on the handout for 601, 603, just in case you, and for the people who are absent, were absent, or are absent. So, here we go. So the first question, this is basically literally a review on all the three methods we have done so far to solve ratio problems. First three questions deals with using a ratio table. Henry's buying school supplies for the start of the school year. For every 3 pencils, you buy 2 pencils. You can set up a very simple, where we're talking about pencils, talking about pens. Then we can write total here. Okay, remember part total. So we can set up a nice table, 3 columns. Ratio of pencils is 3 to 2, giving it a total of 5. So if there are 5 items right now, 3 of them are pencils and 2 of them are pens. What happens when there's 21 pencils? How many pens will I have, and what's going to be my new total? So the relationship here is a times 7 relationship, so everything is going to be times 7, giving you 14. This is going to be also times 7, giving you 35. So how many pencils and pen did Henry purchase at the end of the day? 35. And you can confirm this because 21 plus 14 is indeed 35. In the 6th grade, the ratio of boys to girls 4 to 5. So again, let's write boys, girls, part, and then a total. So 4 boys, 5 girls, for a total of 9. So if I had 9 people right here, 4 of them would be boys, 5 of them would be girls. What happens when there are 135 students gathered? How many of them are boys and how many of them are girls? See if there's a relationship here from 9 to 35. There is, times 15, I believe. 9 times 15, let's just confirm. 9 times 5 is 45, carry the 4. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 4 is 13, yes. So it's times 15 relationship. So times 15 gives me 75. Times 15 gives me 60. So you'll see that 16 plus 75 is indeed 135, so we got our numbers correct. And how many boys are there? Well, there are 60 boys. Next one. Jenny's having a pizza party. The ratio of what we call cheese slices. So we're comparing cheese to pepperoni. I'll just call pep to total slices. So 6, 2 8s, and 14. So if I had 14 slices right now, 6 of them would be cheese, 8 of them would be pepperoni. What happens when Jenny has 32 slices of pepperoni? So what happens when this increases to 32? It increased by a factor, what, times 4? So everything's going to be a times 4 relationship. That gives you 24, sorry. And times 4, which is 64. 24 and 32. Let's see, 4 and 2 is, oh no, it's something wrong here. Oh, this should be 56. What am I doing? 4 and 2 is 6. 2 and 3 is 5. So yeah. What was the crop? How many slices of cheese does she have now? Well, if you have 56 slices, 24 of them would be cheese. Okay. Clear. Double number lines. At a bake sale, we're comparing cupcakes. We're comparing it to money. Let me draw a number line here. Another one right underneath. And 8 cupcakes would be about here. $5 would be about here. So what happens when you purchase, when you spend $45? How many cupcakes would that get you? Side-to-side relationship. How did the 5 become a 45? It's at times 9. So on top, it's going to be times 9. 8 times 9 is 72. Okay, you could have gone 5, 10, 15, and we're counting by 5s here. 20, 25, 30, 35. Oops, let me move that out a little bit. And then 40, 45, counting by 5. Oops, sorry, by 5s at the bottom. And then on top, you count by 8s. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and you'll see that these match. Okay, and then 72. Okay, that would be your complete number line. Okay, but we can use either a multiplicative relationship or instead you could have done plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, and at the bottom plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Pretty sure that we all agree that multiplication is the easier way, or the faster way, I should say. Okay. 5. Well, working out, so he does 54 sits, so we're comparing sit-ups and push-ups. So 54 sit-ups, let me make a number line. That's 0, by the way, I keep forgetting to put that 0. 54 push-ups, sit-ups, sorry, 54. And she does 18 push-ups. There's your relationship right there. You can simplify this if you like, okay? And then what happens when she does 60 push-ups? So 60 push-ups about here. How many sit-ups would she have to do? Is a relationship from 18 to 60? Nothing multiplied times 18. I know of, gives me 60. Look up and down. How about going up? How does 18 become a 54? Is a relationship? Yes, there is. It's a times 3. So over here, I can use a times 3 relationship too, giving me 180. Okay. So I'm just going to go back here and just do it a second way. What if I wanted to do it a different way? I could have simplified that. I'm going to divide 18 by 6. That gives me 3. Okay. And I'm going to divide 54 by 6. That gives me 9. So now I can use this new ratio to find a relationship with 60, and there is, times 20. And I could have used that also, times 20 here. That gives me 180. Same exact answer. So if you want to scale down, find a new equivalent ratio. In this case, 9 over 3 is the same thing as 54 over 18. I could use that to find my answer. Wait a second. Why do I have a feeling I'm not doing this? Oh yeah, no, it's okay. 6. So one more. So we have volleyballs. And we have what? Soccer. Relationship is 7 to 4. So soccer is about 4. That's about 7. So we want to know how many there are when there's 91 volleyballs. 91 is all the way out here. Yeah, and you could have gone 7, and again 14, 21, 28 until you reach 91. Okay, and then same thing here at the bottom, 4, 8, 12, 16, and keep going until you find a number that's right under the 21 and matches, or see if you find a relationship here. 7 times what's 91 times, I believe, 13. So at the bottom, the same thing is going to occur. 4 times 13. That's going to give us 52. Okay, so you can do it via addition. Just make sure that you follow the same different number on top, because this number on top is plus 7, and the number at the bottom here is plus 8, plus 8, plus 8, or multiply both top and bottom by the same number, which is 13. Got 3 more here. Tape diagrams. Okay, that's my favorite actually. Running shoes and basketball. That's what we're comparing. Running shoes is 3. So we do 3. So 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. Basketball we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I'm just going to skip that process. So I want to know what happens. How many running shoes does he have when he has 20 pairs of basketball shoes? So 20, I'm going to put 20 right under it. The basketball boxes, because that's what it's representing. So these 4 boxes represent a total of 20. What number can I put in each of the boxes so that they add up to 20? And that's 20 divided by 4 boxes would be 5. So which makes this top 5 as well. So how many running shoes do I have? Well, 5, 10, 15. Okay. So the key here is being able to find where to put that initial 20. What does that 20 represent? In this case, it represents these 4 boxes. Dogs and cats. For dogs, I'm going to make 2. For cats, I'm going to make 3. 1, 2, 3. And it says that we have 50 pets in total, so combined dogs and cats 50. So I'm not going to put the 50 on top here. Neither am I going to put the 50 on top of the cats boxes, because it doesn't represent the cats nor the dogs. It represents all of these. So I put this like this, because 50 represents the sum of all the dogs and all the cats. So how many boxes do I have in total? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 50 divided by those 5 boxes gives me 10. So I can put 10 in each box, and that should add up to 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now that I know that, I can tell you how many dogs and how many cats. There are a total of 20 dogs, total of 30 cats. What's the question? How many more cats? Well, there's definitely more cats. How many more? 10 more cats. And I think we have more. 9. At a picnic, there are 7 pieces of fruit and vegetables. Okay, so fruits, veggies. For fruits, we need 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And for veggies, we need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's my representation. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 7 for fruits, 4 for the veggies. Now, it says that there are 21 more pieces of fruits. Of course, there's more fruit. You can tell clearly by the picture that there are more boxes for the fruits. So there's definitely more fruits here than vegetables. How much more? Well, what part represents the more part? Well, I'm going to draw a line here. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 are exactly the same. The more part is this. This is how much more the fruits have. Those 3 boxes are the more part. And that more part is represented by the number 21 in this particular problem. So, what number can I put in these 3 boxes to represent 21? Obviously, 21 divided by 3 is 7. 7, 7, which makes every single other number 7, 7, 7. So, how many vegetables are there? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes with 7 each. 7 times 4 gives me 28 veggies. Okay, so that's that. If you were able, or if you can't do this, you should be pretty okay with ratios so far.